Hello friends, welcome back to the channel for another exciting video about skincare and daily beauty routines. Today, I want to explore a very popular question regarding the products you apply to your face. When you walk down the beauty aisle, you see countless small bottles of vitamin C serum promising to completely transform your complexion. Naturally, a crucial question arises in your mind before making a purchase. Do these vitamin C serums actually work? Let us break down the dermatological facts together, friends, so you can confidently make the absolute best choices for your clear skin. To start, I am very happy to give you a clear and resounding yes. High-quality vitamin C serums absolutely do work when properly formulated. Because your skin desperately needs this powerful antioxidant, applying it topically delivers direct benefits that your daily diet simply cannot match. When you apply a well-made serum, your skin happily absorbs the ascorbic acid and actively uses it to stimulate new collagen production. This collagen is the essential structural protein that keeps your face looking firm, plump, and resilient against premature fine lines and wrinkles. Furthermore, I must emphasize how this magnificent antioxidant visibly brightens your skin. It actively inhibits the enzyme responsible for melanin production, which beautifully fades dark spots and hyperpigmentation. However, I need to share an important reality regarding the stability of these products. Vitamin C is notoriously fragile and degrades rapidly when exposed to sunlight and oxygen. For a serum to actually work, it must be packaged in a dark bottle and formulated at the correct acidic level. In conclusion, friends, a well-formulated serum is a proven powerhouse that genuinely works to rejuvenate your skin. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and I will see you next time.